So karma is a bitch, all right? Karma is a huge bitch. Dun dun dun. As you can tell from that dramatic startup sequence, we have the tires loaded, we have a destination set, and we are going to install these rims, wheels, whatever the hell y'all want to call it. That's an argument I don't want to get into. As you can also see from the pan, crazy Nashville weather. Sheesh. Sunny whole day. Then all of a sudden, about 2 hours ago, 70% chance for showers. It rained for like, what? Not heavy rain, but it still rained for like about an hour or so. The garage closed, I can't see shit because these boxes are blocking everywhere. I'm really trying to avoid driving and getting these brand new tires wet. I want to try and get some nice photos. Not brand new tires, sorry, brand new wheels. I want to get some nice photos, trying to get something going. Keep it hidden in the garage and dry until then. Oh shit, that's clean. That's nice. That's cool, man. Check that out. You just pulled out. What's that? Oh yeah? Oh, thanks, man. I'm gonna put the wheels back on. Gonna put the wheels on now. No, I like that truck though. That's pretty badass, guys. Check that out. I'm now making my next vlog to go put the wheels on. Alright, bet. Take it easy. So after that interaction, I've kind of forgot where I left off. Jeez. I'm trying to think. Holy crap. Oh, weather and shit. I was planning on going, it's Thursday today, I was planning on going to get the wheels put on Saturday. But then all of a sudden, Nashville weather, Saturday decided to rain. Once again, brand new works, I want to get a spotless for whatever media, photo, whatever I could get. And then all of a sudden, Sunday, we're going to have a snowstorm. Not just snow, but a snowstorm. Once again, Nashville weather. Nashville doesn't get snowstorms. Nashville normally gets ice. If it does snow, this will be the third time it snows. So I didn't want them to brine the road or salt the road or anything like that. I didn't want to expose the brand new wheels to that shit. So we're heading out to the store today, to the tire shop today. We're gonna meet up Chris, buddy Chris with the Turbo 350. Go meet him up. He's the one that's recommended this place. We're gonna check it out, check out the owner, and see how good of a job he does. All right, I'll pick you guys up back when we get there. Crappy luck.
Like weight and stress and kind of like this, like a bend on the spinner. You get what I'm saying? So
Dude, why you keep buying bent ass wheels, man?
I have to get this fixed.
That's bullshit.
Dude,
How much you
that's a
paid
lot of
last time?
Huh?
How much you paid last time?
What?
To fix the other bent wheels you had?
Like I mean,
It was like 150, 200.
it balanced out, so I would say it's okay. But
Dude, that's 2 full strips of freaking weights, bro.
I know, that's a lot.
What the flip, bro?
It's on the inside. You know, people ain't gonna see that.
Who you buy that from?
Dude, in Atlanta.
You rolled up, man. You roll down Atlanta, man. Get you some money back.
had to be Atlanta.
There's gonna be snowing up here in Tennessee. You got nothing else to do this weekend.
Yeah, that's cool.
You still got the guy's info?
Yeah.
I was just messaging him like, hey, bro, you sure none of these are big?
Dude, look at them weights, bro.
If it's another one, depending what side that one was on, it could be like 2 of them on the same side, depending on what kind of track you ran on.
What, Atlanta?
He probably went up a good bit a couple times.
Well, there may be one more. If there's like the wheel that was on that same side.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see, hopefully not.
Man,
More money to spend.
more money to spend. You got it though, right?
Part of the game, right? That's like a new wheel. You can't really like bend that back, you know?
I mean, it's a Honda, so it's fine. Fuck it, right?
It's true. I own a couple of them. So. I own a couple Hondas. They all got big wheels.
Man, dude, you alright?
Huh?
You alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
It seemed like you stretched it too good.
No, it's part of life, right?
I mean,
You fix one already, you fix another one.
took a hit from buying these wheels. But that's 2 sets now that one of the wheel was bent. After I got it power coated too.
Yeah.
It's ceramic
Answer.
coated.
It's a good thing you didn't ceramic coat these though.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight. That's going in the rear.
But that one's going to rear.
That's going on the rear. I'll let you know that.
You got some spray paint? Let him spray paint the barrel so you know which one to put in the rear.
Oh, I don't know which one is on the rear. The one that has the most weight on it.
I get you. But I guess if it gets dirty though, you ain't gonna see the weight. Might put a little paint mark on the face.
Right. True.
True. Next time you go to the tire shop, they put that bent wheel in the front. Tell them, hey, see that one with that red dot on it? Put that bitch in the back.
I'll mark it.
Or scratch something in there?
Left R.
Left
That's what
R?
I did last time.
You don't have to mark it. It's just not bad.
Yeah, it's...
I don't like the color anymore just because it's bent.
No, we just fucking that shit ain't bad. We just slap the extra weight on it. Alright, let's tell you.
Hey, you don't see my hand the whole time? Oh.
I'm just surprised that got carried on as long as it did. You know?
I was like, oh,
This, bro. You're thinking about messing with them, weren't you?
hell yeah. I was like, yo, you said you have dead ass.
It's like...
I was about to be like, yo, I want my fucking money. At least give me like money for one wheel.
I know, yeah, give me something back.
I'd have died, dude. Reading that message and then just been like, bro, we just kidding.
Then I have to like,
Then you would have to apologize.
apologize, like, yo, my bad, they were fucking with
My
me.
friends are assholes.
So, Karma is a bitch, alright? Karma is a huge bitch because we was fucking with Chris and we was trying to tell him his fucking new wheels he's putting on a while ago was bent. Now, 2 issues. The sensors I have are the factory sensors, and the factory sensors stick out which is going to interfere with the wheel, probably get crushed by an object, wheels going over, whatever. I was supposed to buy sensors that actually fold. The stem will go in, lock in, and the body will actually fall flat on the barrel. I don't have that. So fine, the countermeasure is put in some straighter valves. Now put in some damn straighter valves. And because of the big brake hit, it's rubbing right there. Flashlight.
Why would it go like in the middle of the barrel?
And that's the location where work drilled it, right there.
Because even then, for your sensors, that's going to be an issue. A big issue.
Because the sensors, they don't have angle sensor in them, so I can't run sensors. I'm just gonna have to get a stubby or angle valve. So now we have to dismount these fuckers, get new stems, some shorter ones. I don't know. We gotta try and figure something out. I need one out. I'll get one. Yo!
Yeah, I just went like a can, bro.
Oh, sure. This is the amount of stretch I got. I'm hoping it's enough. What's that? Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's stretched a little bit. The front, I mean, this stretch is kind of equal. You know? No, it's a pain in the ass. All right, we got Chris's penis put in. It barely clears. We had to take the cap off, but it clears. We can spin. No interference all around. That's crazy.
And the heaters aren't on right now. But I can keep it like in here. I can keep it easy right here if I wanted it. Alright, you're good. Stop. And we're gonna have we're gonna do chocolate, hot chocolate.
Check that 4x4 mode.
Smell that clutch burning on that 350Z, I can tell. Huh?
I burned the clutch.
Go ahead, turn it all the way. All the way. I got you. Turn it more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, now turn it back. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead 2.
Don't lower it all the way.
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah.
Alright, now hit.
Hey, you keep an eye on this side, I'll keep an eye on.
Can you do it by like
Corner,
back on?
yeah.
Like just touch it down?
Yeah, so yeah, no, see the middle one down here?
Which one?
This one down here in the middle. In the middle, yeah.
The fronts aren't gonna be
So that's the 2 back.
Yeah, I think your front
Front should be
able to
fine.
lay out. The rear is what you gotta worry about.
Pass up.
Hold on. Barely touch it down. You're Keep going over here. Go ahead, you're good. You're good. You're good. The camber will grab it in. Keep coming. Alright.
God damn!
That's it. That's tight, bro. If you want, you add like -1 degrees, you'll be straight.
That is flush as
Alright.
Okay, do the same in front.
Yeah, lower it all
No, you're raising up. Yeah. Easy, easy, slow. It's 3/8 hose, so it airs fast. Come down. Down. Down.
Front's no problem.
Is that all the way down in the front?
No.
No.
Here it all
Yeah, hold on. Alright, now to the back. Go down the back.
I think the back is actually sitting on the tire. No.
You're out.
Alright, stop.
No, I think you're good. You're almost good in the lip.
Oh
Fuck.
Dude, I spent months doing will they fit and DMing people fucking offsets. Golly.
Dude, the rear is on point.
Did it touch at all?
No, it's not. Oh shit. Nope.
Really?
No, it's not touching it.
Dude,
Just leave it in.
honestly, I think that spacer up right.
Spacer up front.
Just to do so it'll talk the same.
Yeah, I would do the spacer in the front.
The thing you'd be fine with without the spacer though is if you air up, like your ride height, like turning radius would be perfect where you don't rub it off. But with the spacer, you could definitely, yeah,
Man,
you
it
can
looks
get away with it.
fucking good. Sheesh. You definitely fucking stands for it now. That sleeve. It was agonizing, annoying people on Instagram 24/7, messaging people all the time. Was the offset? Was the tire fitment? Everything like that. The 275 stretch, perfect. It blends in with the 275 stretch. Sorry, the 245 stretch in front. It's the same amount of stretch. I didn't sacrifice my grip. I can still have my grip. I don't think I have to go down to 265. Man, this is cool. Hey. Boom. Alright, we're trying a credit card trick. Dude, it ain't even touching. The credit card's passing with ease. Alright, in the middle. I'm touching right here. But that's, yeah.
Pull a cheek out.
Yeah, I've never heard someone up here use that.
Yeah.
Chris.
It's more of a foreign thing.
It is, yeah. When you get to, because suitcase of grip, because it's heavy and big shit, yep, that's where it comes from. When you get to the edge, hit 2 just to get over the thing. Let's keep rolling.
Remember to cut, hey, go ahead and cut his lights on, not turn them off. Fogs. Fogs. There you go.
Hit 2. Alright. I just want Chris to run up and down a little bit a few times just to hear, I don't know, if I hear anything. But we'll see. You know I'm overly cautious and shit. Thanks again, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Next
Make
week.
sure You cut your high beams off, because the high beams are on.
No, that's switchbacks.
Wait, those are running, huh?
Those are running lights, so it's
Yeah, I
switchbacks. Yeah,
Forgot all about that. Hey, it looks bright, too.
they are. And when you turn the indicator, it switches to amber.
Oh.
Yeah. You want to just go down and come back? Where's he going? Sorry if this is out of frame. I'm looking at my car. I wish it was brighter, man. Holy shit, I wish it was brighter. I guess there's nothing touching. I don't hear. I don't know if you'll see me. I don't hear any caliper noise, any caliper touching. I don't hear the valve stem touching or anything like that. So I think we're pretty cool. I think we're covered. It's awesome. All right, we'll catch you in a little bit. Well, I'm home now. It's been a long day. I'm sure it's probably been a longer day for the guys at Limitless. I can't tell you how pleased I am with the service I got from them. The care, attention to detail, the care for the wheels, the lug nuts, putting it on the balance machine, tightening the lug nuts, everything like that. They was super careful, and just the attention to detail was just phenomenal. It's not like one of those shops that they move in volume and inside and outside quick, and the faster and faster out, the more money they can make. These guys, they do it because they love it. They want to provide a service that's top notch. I can't say how impressed I am with their workmanship, their ethics, and how they run that shop. It's pretty awesome. They also went far beyond the Call of Duty to help me out with my problems. One, the stupid sensor. The way to drill the hole, the factory sensor didn't work. Like I said, we were probably looking for get an aftermarket one that would actually stem will go in and the body will fall flat against the wheel. That would have worked. But then we run into the second problem, where the valve stem is so long it interferes with the huge brake caliper. Had to go out and get a stubby. They were really cool about it. I am super stoked with the fitment. I did not have to change my ride height. I'm the same ride height that I was using with my West Sports. I probably may check my toe. I'll go to alignment, check my toe and everything. I probably can't get a little lower, probably lower the front a little some more. Super happy with the result. I've spent so much time messaging people back and forth and just trying to get an idea, and then after I got an idea, spent so many hours on Will They Fit to see how much offset I could use and push it out. Because one of my biggest things, you guys know, is that I run the car hard, and I did not want these wheels to reduce that. I wanted to still enjoy my car, and I wanted to have the maximum width and grip that I would normally have. But I wanted to poke. I wanted to stretch look a little bit. I've had the flush for a little while. I wanted a little stance. After spending hours and hours in Will They Fit, I was able to play with it enough to get that poke perfect, but able to get that stretch and fitment in the car so it wouldn't look too bad. It wouldn't look all out there. I'm super stoked, super happy with the fitment. I'll put it in the notes of the video. You can check it out what I end up going with. But I was able to keep my 275s. The front, I may go 235 just to match the amount of stretch angle the rear has. Right now the front's a little vertical. It's not as stretched as much. So I'm keeping it as is, spec-wise, tire-wise. If I might just go to a 235 instead of a 245 wide in front, that's it. But I think it's perfect. Tomorrow, I believe the weather's going to be good. This weekend is going to be crap. I'm going to try to get the car out, get some photos out for you guys, and just put it out there. But I'm super happy. 8 months of waiting, it was worth it. Probably 2-3 months before that of just agony of just thinking. Because there's nobody right now with those exact same specs. Everybody goes either conservative or crazy. Conservative with nice meaty tires, or crazy and have a serious stretch with like a 245 or 255 and a 10.5 inch rim. I wanted to get as poke as possible without losing rubber, and I've accomplished that, and I'm super happy with that. And I can't thank the guys at Limitless any less than they did. Information in the description. I can't talk, it's late. Until next time, guys, don't forget, hit that like, hit that sub, put comments. Come on, guys, I like conversating. Let's put a comment in there. Let me know what you think about how it went. Until next time, you'll have a good one.